Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another unboxing video. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Zhiyun Weebill gimbal. So in today's video, we're going to unbox a Zhiyun Weebill gimbal. I've wanted one of these gimbals for a long time. I have a small gimbal that I use with my smartphone and it works really well, but every time I use it, I always wonder to myself, what would the quality be if I was able to use my SLR? So hopefully this gimbal is going to work out with my older Nikon. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see a future video on that. So I've got my unboxing knife here and good old Amazon Prime delivery got this to me in a few days. So I will put the link in the description below if you want to get yourself one of these gimbals as well. All right, there we have it, the Zhiyun Weebill S. Super excited for this guy, so let's get into it. So the first thing we have here is the packing list, along with a service card and an instruction manual. And ta-da! So this is the gimbal unit itself right here. And all of the pieces that you need to mount your SLR to it. Battery holder, batteries, tripod, charging accessories, camera mount. Camera mount if you're using a larger lens, it's a block to lift it up. Some silica gel, which we will throw out. And there you have it. That is the Weebill S. So I didn't expect much less from Zhiyun, but that was an absolutely wonderful unboxing experience. This is a beautiful piece of machinery, which I can't wait to start using. Definitely hit that subscribe button below if you want to see some future videos on how to balance and mount specifically a Nikon SLR to the Weebill S. Thanks so much for watching today. If you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.